Finally, Samsung started rolling out stable OneUI 7 update to Galaxy S23 users in Korea. Today, a screenshot was posted where we can see that this is a stable DY-D9 update that's now available to Galaxy S23 beta testers. It's about 900 MB in size and it's just available in Korea at the moment. If we see update schedule, then it seems stable update for Galaxy S23 should be here by May 25. This DY-D9 update was unexpected and has started rolling out today for Korean Galaxy S23. We might also get this update for Galaxy S23 in the US in upcoming days. I'll keep you guys updated, so make sure to subscribe and don't forget to drop a thumbs up. Apart from OneUI 7 update, here is your first look at upcoming OneUI 8 weather app. You can see that this new app has a lot of glass effect. Maybe OneUI 8 will be inspired by iOS 19 a lot. Apple is going to introduce iOS 19 this summer and it will use a lot of glass effect for its UI. OneUI 8 beta testing will start this year, a bit sooner than expected. Hopefully we can see stable OneUI 8 update a bit earlier this year. Galaxy S24 is also going to get a new OneUI 7 update that will fix all those bugs that you guys are seeing with stable update like lock screen bug and battery drain. Samsung has started rolling out OneUI 7 update once again after a short pause. The build number for this update is BYD9. This update is available in Korea at the moment. I'm waiting for this update too on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. So that wraps it up. I'll update you guys as soon as possible when stable OneUI 7 drops on my Galaxy S23. Also, don't forget to clear cache of your Samsung Galaxy after a major software update so everything keeps running smoothly and lag free. For a full step-by-step guide on how to clear cache, just check out the video, its link will be down in description. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.